welcome to G Reviews. Again, this video we're going to announce the grand prize winner of the Wyze Video Doorbell version 2. For those of you that did not win, thank you very much for liking and subscribing and commenting on the videos. And please stay tuned or be notified of new videos, because I'm almost going to be giving away something big or something small on almost every other video. So stay tuned and stay alert. And now for the giveaway. Your winner is Josh Nab. Thank you, Josh Nab, for your commitment. Thank you for subscribing and commenting and sending me the information. I will be contacting you so I can send you your grand prize of the Wyze Video Doorbell version 2. Again, thank you for supporting the channel, and thank you all for the support in the channel. Till next time, peace.